Welcome to a training video on TSI Certifier flow analyzers. The Certifier Pro model combines high flow, low flow, pressure, and oxygen measurements into a single instrument that is capable of testing any type of ventilator as well as anesthesia machines and other medical devices. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to connect the Certifier Pro to a ventilator to perform testing. Press the power button on the back panel to turn the instrument on. After the instrument boots, wait 1 minute for the sensors to warm up before taking measurements. Power can be supplied to the Certifier Pro using the AC power adapter or from its internal battery. Battery operation can be extended by powering off a flow module if it's not being used, such as toggling off the low flow channel while you're performing ventilator testing. The high flow channel is typically used for testing flows and tidal volumes from ventilators. Uncap the ends and connect the filter to the inlet of the high flow channel. To protect your Certifier flow analyzer, it's important to always operate with a filter upstream of the instrument and to cap the ends when not in use. Using the 22mm female-to-female adapter, connect the Y fitting to the inlet of the high flow channel. Corrugated tubing is used to carry inspiratory and expiratory flows from and back to the ventilator. A test lung will be connected to the outlet of the high flow channel. For a bidirectional test setup, the Y fitting needs to be placed before the certifier so that inspiratory flows come from the ventilator through the certifier into the test lung, then back through the certifier as expiratory flows, which then return to the ventilator. For a unidirectional test setup, the Y fitting would be placed in the outlet between the certifier and the test lung. With this test setup, only the inspiratory flows would be measured by the certifier, and the expiratory flows would be diverted from passing through the certifier and instead vent to the atmosphere. To connect the low pressure measurement to the test circuit, attach the airway adapter to the outlet of the high flow channel, and then connect a piece of tubing from the airway adapter to the positive port on the front of the panel. Low pressure measures the difference in pressure between the positive and negative pressure ports. When used with a test lung, we recommend that the low pressure adapter be placed on the outlet of the flow channel, as this will help to condition the flows coming back from the test lung through the certifier. To complete the test circuit, we will connect the test lung downstream of the high flow channel. The test lung simulates a patient's breathing, and there are a variety of different types and sizes of lungs that are used when testing ventilators. For our demonstration, we're using a 1-liter test lung. After the circuit is set up, you would configure the test parameters on the certifier's touchscreen interface. These test parameters are specified by the ventilator manufacturer in their service manual. Learn more about operating the Certifier touchscreen in other TSI videos. Before you start testing, it's recommended to zero the low pressure transducer to ensure the most accurate readings. To zero the pressure transducers, disconnect any tubing from the pressure ports located on the front panel of the certifier, and then press the 0 button on the touchscreen interface. An oxygen sensor is integrated into the Certifier Pro, and it measures the real-time oxygen concentration of gas flowing through the high flow channel. The oxygen sensor is replaced as part of TSI calibration service, or users can access the sensors themselves by removing the bottom plate of the certifier. If you're using measurements from the oxygen sensor, it's recommended that you calibrate it before testing. The oxygen sensor can be calibrated with either a 1-point air-only calibration or a 2-point air and oxygen calibration. Select oxygen sensor in the settings of the Certifier, and then on-screen prompts will take you step by step through the calibration process. You are now ready to begin your ventilator testing. That's it for today. Follow me for more tips.